Hello everyone and welcome. This I'm going to walk you through how to connect bank account from QuickBook. How to connect a bank account from QuickBook. The first thing you do is from your home menu, you click on the three line at the top left corner. I want to show you how I got here. You click on transactions, you click on bank transactions, and you're here. So you scroll down and see account not connected, so you click on connect account. Then you can now connect your bank or credit card to bring in your transactions. Enter your bank name and you get to your filters so far. You can choose the one you want. Let's say you want to use this one. Okay, we need to go. You want to use a different currency. So let's go back. Let's choose any bank prices. Now you're going to put in the user ID for corporate customers. You put in your password, click on show, and once you click on continue and follow the online prompts. Hope you find this video helpful on how to connect bank accounts from QuickBooks. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying QuickBooks. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next video.